Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. So we're doing the December TLP Switcharoo. So basically, I am narrating another artist's video, and you need to guess who the artist is that actually created this beautiful piece of artwork. So we're going to get into it. She or he is using these wonderful Liquitex brushes and kind of blending the pigment over the canvas, which is really a pretty technique. Just some details here about what they are doing. The TLP colors that were used were Burnt Sierra and Psych, and they dispersed the pigments with a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium in order to get it to the same consistency as the TriArt fluid or the TriArt liquid paint. So they used the piggies first, and then the TriArt liquid paints kind of come over the top with a palette knife. The TriArt liquids that were used in this painting were phthalo turquoise, light iridescent copper, and those were straight from the bottle, so they were not mixed with any pouring media of any kind. As you can see, the colors are going to be so bright, vibrant, full of pigment when they're used straight out of the bottle. So the Liquitex brushes and palette knives can all be, Fluid Art Co. sells all of those, which I love that they started carrying those Liquitex brushes. They're like great for getting a beautiful ombre effect onto your canvas. So, and that towards the end, I'm not going to talk all the way through this. I'm going to let you watch and put some music on. But at the end, they used a gold acrylic fine-tipped marker and Amsterdam relief in gold. So the Amsterdam relief paint comes in a little tube, and when you put it on, it actually stays raised. So it gives you like a little texture to the painting, which is really nice. And then at the end, on that relief, they used, I probably gave it away that it's a female. Anyhow, we're just gonna roll with it. So it's called Pebeo Mixchin, which is an adhesive and a foil varnish in gold holograph and blue holograph. So really cool effects. There's a lot of layering, there's some texture, then using the foil to highlight some of that relief. I mean, just very beautiful concept here. I'm going to put music on. Please guess who you think created this in the comments, and we will go from there. And have a beautiful day. Thank you always for being here on my channel, and we'll talk to you soon.